If you want to change the app icon colors on your Samsung phone, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Now just tap on Color Palette, then enable the toggle for Color Palette. Now to apply the color palette to the app icons, just enable the toggle for Apply Palette to App Icons. Now after you do that, you will be able to select a color combination which is extracted from the background of your Samsung phone. For example, I will select this color. Just tap on Apply to the app icons. And as you can see, the app icon colors has been changed as you can see in the preview. And if I go to the home screen, as you can see, the app icon colors has been changed. And you can also select a basic color by tapping on basic color, and from here you can select a solid color from the colors given over here. For example, I will select this one. Just tap on Apply. Now if I go to the home screen, as you can see, the app icon colors has been changed. And this is how you can change the app icon colors on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.